Hey gang, welcome back. We're not traveling today, we're in the kitchen. We're gonna do a little flank steak marinade, get it ready for tomorrow. Watch the intro, we'll be right back.
Welcome to What Doin'. We're Deb and Aaron, two retirees originally from Washington State who love to travel the country, make new friends, have new adventures, scuba dive, hike, cook, and just about anything outdoors. Come along for the ride. You never know what kind of crazy adventures we're going to get mixed up in, and you never know what doing.
Okay, so welcome back to the channel. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. If this is your first time, this is kind of how we roll. It's just kind of off the cuff, and we'll see how things go from here. We get some people coming over tomorrow. I'm going to make my flank steak marinade so that we can grill it tomorrow, but it's got to marinate for about 24 hours. First ingredient, coffee. Not in my coffee cup. It's actually going to go into the marinade. 1 cup, and you want really strong coffee. I make this about twice as strong as I normally would, which for me, I like really strong coffee anyway, so it's stand a 4 cup in it coffee. Next thing we're gonna put in, 1/2 cup of olive oil. If you got one of the slow pouring ones, take the lid out. We'll make this a little quicker. 1/2 cup of olive oil is going to go in. Another one of the really good secret ingredients, dark beer. I can't show you the Guinness part because then we got to do all the whole royalty thing and all of that. So dark beer, the darker the better. I like the kind that will suck the light out of the room. It's so dark. Not only is it good to drink, it goes really well in the marinade. We're going to put 1 cup of this in. And in the bowl is just a big 1-gallon Ziploc bag so that the meat will fit in there. Normally I would down the rest of this, but it's dry January and we're finishing that thing up, so we're gonna go a little heavier on that, not waste all of the beer. Worcestershire W sauce. It's good. 3 tablespoons of this, and if you know how we do things, we're very particular and very meticulous on how we measure our ingredients. So make sure you do it right to the recipe. Don't ad lib. 3 garlic cloves. I used to use fresh garlic. I'm not sure how much that is when you use it out of the can, but we're gonna go like a bunch because garlic is just good. Well, thank you. So we'll throw that in there. We're going to go ground onion or minced onion, 1 tablespoon, or like, you know, really concise measurements. Shake. The super secret shake goes into here. We're going to go about 2 teaspoons or about like that. That's the good stuff right there. Little salt and pepper is going to go in. About, yeah, that much, maybe a little more. And a little bit of salt. There's salt in the shake. We're going to put a little soy sauce into here, so that's going to be a little more salt, but it does really good things. Long trip to the refrigerator and back. So a little bit of hot sauce, depending on how much you like. It kind of cooks out, and just during the process, it mellows a little bit. We're going to go a little bit of soy just to say that we have it in there. So we got it all in. It's in the bag. Now we're just going to add the flank steak, mix it around, let it sit for 24 hours. Tomorrow we'll come back and we'll throw it on the grill. Here's like the most important part. Oh yeah. Get it all to fit down in there. Seal it up, squeeze as much air out as you can when you get down to the end. Now we're just going to put this back in the refrigerator, let it sit till tomorrow. We'll be back and cook it. So welcome back. We're the next day now and just getting ready to throw everything on the grill. Chicken goes on. I know it's not flank steak, but we're going to do a little both today. The chicken is just salt, pepper, and shake. I did a video a while back on the shake recipe. The shake goes good on just about everything. And then, for the biggie here, that's the one that we're waiting for. So we're gonna let it go, both the beef and the chicken, 7 minutes on a side, then we're gonna flip it over, we'll do another 7 and come back and see where we're at. But for right now, we can go back in and have a little more coffee. All right, time to flip. It'll tell you, both with the beef and the chicken, if it's not ready, it'll stick. Once it releases like this, you're good to go. Oh man. This is gonna be some good stuff, T. What do you think?
It looks delicious. The smell is making my mouth water.
We'll go another 7, then we'll turn them again. So we're ready for the flank steak to come off. We're gonna give the chicken another couple minutes. All I did in between was flip them and rotate them. We'll let the chicken go a little bit longer, but this guy is ready to go in and rest.
Man, look at that.
The smell
Delicious.
is kind of amazing.
Let's take a good shot. I bet you people out there wish you had some of this right now.
You ready for some chicken, T?
I'm ready.
This is gonna be good.
Let's take a look at that plate of chicken.
Check that out.
Oh my, oh my.
One of the benefits of doing these is having people over to eat, so you get to cook all the good stuff and then chow down on it. So after the steak is rested, we let it rest about 6 or 7 minutes, I guess. This is when it gets good. This is going to be a good one, T.
I can't wait. I can hardly wait.
So T is here. He has a YouTube channel called Embrace the Journey.
Embrace the journey.
Embrace
yes.
the Journey. Good one to check out. We all kind of met through the camera club in Olympia and just started hanging out with each other and enjoying good food and good company.
Yeah, we really enjoy the great food that Aaron puts out here, and Aaron and Deb, and they know how to cook.
Chicken's still nice and moist.
Chicken is my favorite, although hard to pick a favorite over these two things.
We can dish up. That piece is going to fall off the cutting board. I had to eat it to save it.
What do you think, Dawn?
This looks good. I'm excited.
So we had a great lunch. I want to thank T and his wife Karen, Dawn and Mark, having everybody up. We get together about once a month at everybody else's house. We rotate through. Good lunch, always good company, good laughs. I'm going to put the recipe over here so that you can see what they are. You can copy that down. This recipe came out from a cooking competition that I did a few years ago when I was at Griffin Fire Department, live with Regis and Kelly at that time. Had a nationwide firefighter recipe contest. I entered this and took first place in the nation, and we've been cooking with it ever since. So stay tuned. The next one we're going to do is the barbecue sauce. That one's a good one. See ya.